In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add item cards to items in Monday.com. Item cards are a handy feature that help us visualize all the information from a single item row in our Monday board, making it easier to manage and interpret data efficiently. To get started, you'll first want to select the item you wish to add item cards for on your Monday board. This is a crucial step as you want to ensure you're working with the correct item to carry out this process effectively. Once you've identified and selected the appropriate item, the next step is to click on it to open more details. Doing this will bring up a panel on the right side of your screen. This panel is essentially your command center for exploring and managing various details related to the item. Within this panel, you might notice some existing files or updates related to your item. These are just pieces of information that have been previously associated with that particular item row. Now, to add an item card, look for the plus icon located on the tabs within this panel. Clicking this icon will allow you to add a new item view, which is where you can bring item cards into the mix. From the options presented after clicking the plus icon, select Item Card. Once you've selected it, congratulations, you've added an item card. This is where the fun begins, as you can now personalize the card to suit your needs. Adding widgets is a great way to customize the item card, allowing you to decide exactly what the item board will show and how it will appear. This customization can help tailor your workspace to better fit the specific needs of your project or workflow, making your data not only more accessible, but also more intuitive. A useful tip at this point is to make sure your item card view is set to the main view, especially if it's something you'll frequently refer back to. To do this, simply click on the three dots icon on the Item Board View tab. From the drop-down menu that appears, you can set the item card as the main view. This is particularly handy because whenever you click on the item again, it will automatically show the item card by default, streamlining your workflow by saving a few extra clicks. And that's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently apply item cards to your items in Monday.com, enhancing how you visualize and interact with your data. Implementing item cards can significantly improve your project management experience by presenting all relevant information in one clear, easy-to-navigate board. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this feature as helpful as I do in managing your tasks and projects effectively.